my name is Craig, and in this episode of Give Me 2 Minutes, we're going to be looking at the building blocks of sentences, dependent and independent clauses. Contrary to popular belief, sentences are not the building blocks of a paragraph. It is, in fact, the clause. This is the smallest grammatical unit that can express something that has complete meaning. So, she is a is not a clause, because we're only given half of the meaning. But she is a mother is a clause, because it has complete meaning. There are two types of clause, independent and dependent clauses, and both have slightly different functions, but work hand in hand with each other. Think about it in this way. Some clauses are like mature grown-ups. They have their own house or apartment, pay their own expenses, and wash the dishes. These clauses have made a success of life. They're independent. They have complete meaning, like our previous clause, she is a mother. Independent clauses are okay by themselves, but writing too many in a row makes your paragraph choppy and monotonous. To make your sentences more varied and academic sounding, you can combine independent and dependent clauses. Think about dependent clauses as immature grown-ups. They still live at home, or they crash on someone's couch. These clauses are not mature. They can't support themselves. They're dependent. These clauses may be called dependent clauses. For example, at the end of the day. This is the clause, but it does not have complete meaning. It feels like it needs more to make it be complete. Therefore, it's dependent. By combining at the end of the day, she is a mother, a dependent followed by an independent clause, we can create more interesting sentences. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to watch more videos and visit our website for more information. Good luck with your assignment.